Peace be unto you and your family. 12th Chemistry Refresher Course Model, Unit 10 Isomerism in Organic Chemistry. Answer key. In this we are going to discuss about student activity and assessment. Come to student activity. First one is classifying each compound as cis isomer, trans isomer or neither. What is meant by cis isomer? The cis and trans isomer exhibit only in the double bonded compound. First point. The rotation is not possible if double bond is present between two carbon atoms. Rotation is restricted. What is cis? If the similar group are in the same side of the double bond, it is cis. If the similar group are opposite side of the double bond, means it is trans isomer. In the first example, hydrogen, ethyl, similar group are present in the opposite side. Therefore, first compound is trans isomer. In the second compound, similar group are present in the same side. Therefore, it is called cis isomer. What is the name of this compound? When you give a number, total number of carbon atom in the given compound is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many carbon atom in the main chain? There are 6 carbon atom. Root word hex, carbon double bond in position of double bond 3. Hex 3 in both these compound IUPAC. Come to the next compound given, compound C. Double bonded atoms. These two hydrogens are same hydrogen. These two hydrogens are present in same side. Therefore, this is also comes under cis isomer. By using any two same atom, we can distinguish a compound as cis or trans isomer. This is cis isomer. What is the name of this compound? Number starting from this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third carbon 1 methyl, isn't it? Total number of carbon atom in the main chain is 5. Therefore, root word is pente. Carbon double bond in position of double bond 1. In the third carbon we have 1 methyl. Therefore, 3 methyl pente 1 ene. Write all possible alcohol and ether isomers for the molecular formula C4H10O. First I am going to write the functional isomer. Functional isomerism. We know compounds having same molecular formula but a different functional group comes under functional isomerism. In C4H10O, 4 carbon we can write 4 alcohol and 3 ether. First alcohol CH3, CH2, 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 OH. First alcohol. I will write the name of this compound. Second CH3, CH2 with the same carbon atom. First one is N-butyl, second one is secondary butyl alcohol. Third compound isobutyl alcohol. We know what is iso. CH3, CH3. This group is called iso. Again 4 carbon atom CH2OH. Isobutyl alcohol is an example of primary alcohol. Then tertiary butyl alcohol CH3, COH, CH3, tertiary butyl alcohol. First now I write the IUPAC name of all these compound. First compound 4 carbon root word bute, carbon single bond N, OH all, position of OH 1, butane 1 all. 4 carbon atom bute, carbon single bond N, OH all, position of OH 2. Here also we have 3 carbon atom in the main chain, OH lowest number 1, 2, 3. How many carbon atom? 3 carbon atom in the main chain, prop, carbon single bond N, OH all, position of OH 1. In the second carbon we have methyl, 2 methyl, propane 1 all. Now giving numbering 1, 2, 3, this is the main chain. 3 carbon atom prop, carbon single bond N, OH all, position of OH is to second carbon containing methyl, 2-methyl propane 2 all. Corresponding ether isomers for this molecular formula C4H10O. I am going to write. We know the functional group for ether is O. How many carbon atom in the given compound? 4 carbon atom. How will you divide this 4? We can divide 4 as 2, 2 and 1, 3. 2 means ethyl, 2 means ethyl, 1 means methyl, 3 means propyl. Either functional group O. First I write 2 carbon ethyl, 2 carbon ethyl. CH3, CH2. Right hand side also CH2, CH3. One ether with the same molecular formula C4H10O. Another 1,3. 1,3 means 1 means methyl group. 3 means propyl. We have 2 propyl. One is N-propyl, another one is isopropyl. This is your N-propyl group. And under 1,3 we have one more compound. Functional group of ether is O. 1,3 means 1 methyl. 3 means CH, CH3, CH3. Isopropyl group. Now I write the IUPAC name of this compound. I select number of carbon atoms are same in the either side of the functional group. So select any one of the alkyl group as the parent. Here 3 carbon. This is the main chain 1, 2, 3. Here 3 carbon. This is the main chain by giving number 1, 2, 3. Now I write the IUPAC name of all the 3 compound. 2 carbon eth, carbon single bond N ethane. Here 2 carbon eth, presence of oxygen oxy, ethoxy ethane. 3 carbon prop, carbon single bond N propane, first carbon 1 methoxy group, therefore 1 methoxy propane. 3 carbon prop, carbon single bond N propane. In the second carbon we have 1 methoxy, 2 methoxy propane, 2 methoxy propane. Come to the next assessment part. What is the assessment given? Draw the structures of the cis trans isomers for each compound and label them as cis trans. 2-butanoic acid, butenoic acid. But means 4 carbon atom, ene means double bond, position of double bond 2, oic acid COH group. Now write the molecular formula CH3, CH, double bond CH, COOH. This is 2-butanoic acid. Now write the cis and trans isomer C double bond C. To this carbon atom we have 1 hydrogen and 1 methyl CH3. To this carbon atom we have 1 H and 1 COOH. 2 hydrogen atoms are in the same side, therefore this compound is called cis 2-butanoic acid. With the same molecular formula, now I write the trans isomer. Carbon double bond carbon, to the first carbon we have 1 hydrogen and 1 methyl group. To the next carbon atom, when you write hydrogen in the opposite side, it is called trans isomer. Cis isomer. Similar group are in same side is called cis isomer. Similar group are in the opposite side is called trans isomer. 2-pentene. Pentene means 5 carbon atom. In the second carbon atom we have the double bond. So what is the molecular formula? CH3, CH2, CH, double bond CH, CH3. This is 2-pentene. Now I write the cis and trans isomer depending upon the double bonded carbon atom. C double bond C. Here you have 1 hydrogen, 1 methyl group CH3. To this carbon atom we have 1 hydrogen, 1 ethyl group. CH3, CH2, ethyl group is attached. And with the same molecular formula C double bond C, hydrogen, here 1 ethyl, CH3, CH2. If you write the hydrogen in the opposite carbon atom, now we can say in the first compound 2-butene, similar group are in the same side, it is called cis. similar group are in the opposite side, it is called trans isomer. Identify the isomerism present in the following compound. CH3, CH2, CHO, CH3, CO, CH3, both the compound have the same molecular formula but different functional group. One is aldehyde functional group, another one is a ketone functional group. Therefore, this compound comes under functional isomerism. What is functional isomerism? Compounds having same molecular formula but a different functional group are called functional isomers, and the phenomenon is called functional isomerism. 3 carbon prop, carbon carbon single bond N, aldehyde 7. 3 carbon prop, carbon carbon single bond N, ketone 1. Prop N L, prop N 1. Then the next compound. 4 carbon atom, there is no functional group, but the change occurs only in the position of double bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Compound having same molecular formula, but the position of double bond is different. In the first compound, double bond is present in the first carbon atom, double bond present in the second carbon atom. Therefore, this is called position isomerism. Compounds having same molecular formula, but the position of double bond, here double bond is a functional group, is different. What is the name of the first compound? 4 carbon butane, carbon carbon double bond in, position of double bond 1. 4 carbon butane, carbon carbon double bond in, position of double bond 2. This is but 1 in, that one is but 2 in. And my dear students, thank you for watching. In this video, we discussed about unit 10, isomerism in organic chemistry. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you very much.